Hello, this is Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Here's another new arrival. This is our 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. I'll show you the rest of the vehicle in just a moment. So this one's got leather seating inside, roof rails, power sliding door of course, and then these are going to be the stow and go seats. So these will actually go completely flattened under the floorboards, giving you an option for cargo space. And both the captain's chairs will do that, including the third row too. So this is going to be a 7-passenger van altogether. Power lift gate. You got your power button right there if you want to close it. You also have it on the key fob too. And then these seats will actually go into this well area here, completely flat. And I'll show you in just a second what that looks like. And that's what it looks like, completely flat down there. Other seat will do that too, including the second row. So you will get a flat cargo space all the way to the front, except for the front 2 seats. And this one's got 68,318 miles. You do get a power driver's seat, which is nice. And a decent sized infotainment screen. Please let us know if you're interested in checking this one out. It is available right now. If you'd like more details, you can give us a call at 808-334-1111 or just go online. You can go to hawaiicar.com. It's got all our vehicles listed there, Carfaxes too. And if you want to try to get pre-approved for this one, just click the financing tab at the top, fill out the forms, and then we'll get to it right away. Thanks again.